How can you offer group video coaching on Fibler? If you're among our select experts, you'll be able to offer paid group coaching to your clients through live and pre-recorded videos and get paid for each viewer's watch time based on your own pricing. This is an extreme income generating tool, especially if you can attract a large number of viewers by inviting your fans and followers from your professional and social networks to watch them, and by posting online ads and video teasers with your Fibler link behind. You can at any time create a new video cast. Give it a title and a thumbnail with a photo from your camera or gallery. Select if you will go live now or schedule it for a future date and time. Set its per minute price and how long you estimate its duration will be. Now that you're done, you can set up to 3 reminders about your scheduled videocast, and you can edit or cancel it if you changed your mind. Your clients on Fibler will receive automatic notifications whenever you schedule a videocast and the moment you go live. Once ready to go live, select your camera and proceed. You can see at all time your current number of viewers and your ongoing permitted earnings. You won't be interrupted during your videocast since your viewers won't be able to interact with you. It is recommended that you set your mobile to Do Not Disturb before you go live to avoid any interruptions by external calls. Once you have finished your live, you can choose to either keep it published on your videocast page and keep earning whenever people watch it in the future, or unpublish it if you prefer so. People looking to watch a previous videocast have the option to pay per minute for every time they watch it, or pay once for the whole clip and re-watch it for free as long as it's published. Your earnings from watch live and previous videocasts will be accumulated under your account balance, which you can cash out anytime to your bank account. You can contact our support anytime if you have any questions or face any difficulties. We will always be pleased to help. Offering group video coaching to your fans and followers is really that simple. Happy Fiblering!